Hey traders, John Howell here, and in today's educational and market update video, I'm going to talk to you about the Nasdaq and why it's got a pattern that we could see a blast off to the upside real soon. Also, the SP 500 is actually creating a pretty powerful pattern right now. I want to share that with you as well too. Also, I want to give a bit of an update on what's going on with silver and gold and the major key support levels we need to keep an eye on. Overall picture what's going on there. Also, the one stock that I just recently bought, and also the target that I have for this stock as well too, and why Bitcoin not yet. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, let's get straight into it right now. I want to share this one pattern with you when it comes to the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq, why I believe that we could be getting ready for a blast off, like a pretty nice vertical, straight, up and down, up move, up and down, up and right? It's like the lion's been sleeping for a while. He's been watching and suddenly he sees a zebra. Woof. Right, he goes off. He's off. Right, gets the zebra. The lion's been resting for a while, you know. And so what I'm seeing through here is a really big sort of a sort of triangle pattern through here, and you can see we've got this major resistance around the 12,000 level, and we've got this nice support level coming up through here as well too. So let me actually just take this off the screen here so it's not confusing you. And so you can see what's going on, and we're now compressing up through here. So how I see this is this. What I do is when I see a triangle pattern like this, I take the recent or the support level, and then I project that up. So I take literally like this here, as you can see. So I take this support level, I draw from the support level of the trend line of the triangle pattern up through there. And then I simply just project it out like that through there. And the projection, as you can see, is up there around the 13,500 level. So looking at this here, I see, no, not yet guys, because we need the breakout. The breakout just simply gives us confirmation of a high probability. The hardest thing that most traders have with this market, right, is what I said just there was this. We need to wait for a breakout to give us confirmation that we're going to have a high probability of it running through there. See, most of you guys that are watching this video right now, you're like, well, I want certainty that's going to get there. It's like, no, we're looking for probability. Right now, there's maybe a 50-50 chance we're going to get to 13,500. If we get the breakout, now there's like a 70, possibly, yeah, I'd say 70% chance that we're going to reach my target up through there. Time-wise, the big old time, that's the big question mark. It could happen in a month, could happen in 3 months. So I hope you can see that, and that's the reason why I see a blast off, because we've just been doing nothing, and so we could start to see something through there and moving up through to the 13,400 level as well. So that's actually really interesting to see what's going on through the Nasdaq. So 13,500 guys is my target on the Nasdaq. And I think we're likely to see a big move. Moving over through to the SP 500. And the SP 500 is creating a pretty powerful pattern right now, and we've got to keep an eye on this. Yesterday I did a video saying that if we do get a drop down, then we need to wait to see if it's going to be a bit of a powerful pattern through there, as in like a bit of a higher low. Or either what I'm seeing right now on the SP 500 is this. We can see it's developing such like a bit of a bull flag formation. So you can see we've got this move up, and now we're just developing this through here. That's actually pretty powerful. So if we continue this for a little bit longer, and then we start to see a breakout, then we're probably going to run to 4,000. And so that's what I see through there. And the way that you do this, the way you do get a projection, I got a projection here, guys, based on this channel. We measure from the low of the channel to the high of the channel. And you project that up, and you get this sort of line up through. Let me just bring this down. This is the line that I see, 3,850 is the projection of where we're likely to go to based on this channel. But what you also can do is you also can do a one-to-one projection. So if you see this very last move, so this very absolute, if I do this if I go from the projection from the low to the high, and the low point right now is right there. That's the lowest point so far. You can see that through there, and that's the lowest point. Then if I bring this up, as you can see, right, that this one-to-one, that what actually happened here is now likely to happen again. You can see the one-to-one comes in at 3,950, and it's probably going to hit 4,000 because it's a round number. So that's where I say this whole level up through here, I'd say 4,000 is probably a major target where we're likely to run to, especially if we can start to develop a nice little breakout out of this level through here on the SP 500. So pretty powerful pattern there, guys. Watch for this. If we start to break out, we could be getting ready to go for another nice move to the upside. Moving over now through to silver and gold. And let me just squeeze this chart up here. As you can see, gold is continuing to be a very sleepy head, but mark my words, guys, no one is watching silver and gold anymore because like, oh my goodness, this is so boring. It's not doing anything. Mark my words, guys. You watch for the next few months. This thing is going to go ballistic. But first, we have major key support levels, which is, if I bring up my weekly chart, my good old weekly chart, my major key support levels, as you can see back through here on gold, is around that 1800 level there. So if I go back to my daily chart once again, you can see what's happening through here. So I would not be too surprised, guys, if we did get a bit of a flush down to get people freaked out, and then we start to see a very nice upward move. Either way, I see a lot more upside to come. They're going to keep printing more money, so long term, I'm very bullish on gold. That's the fundamental that you have there. And so you can see what's going on through here, right? Nothing going on for quite some time, and so I just see we're about to make a very, very big move in gold. And when I say that, I mean this. We're either likely to start to see this, or what I believe we're likely to see that, or where if we do get a drop down, it's going to be short-lived, and then we're going to see that. So either way, I see a big move coming in gold. That's why this guy is in gold right now, enduring a little bit of a pullback right now. And also same with silver as well too. Silver's been doing not much as well. Like look at the rest. Look at the whole not much going on with silver right now. It's like, oh my goodness, right? Not much going on at all. But once again, guys, if this major level through here, if we can get back above say 26, that'll be, not only will it be you can see from, look at all this here, support level through there, support, resistance. So that whole 26 level is strong, but also this trend line coming down through here. So if we can hold and get it back above here, that's going to be very significant, and then we're probably likely to start to see something like that, or something like that in silver. So looking really, really, really good there. Now let's move on now to the one stock, guys. The one stock that I really like, that I just bought, and I'm holding on. It's more of a trading opportunity that I see, more of a not an investing opportunity, and that is, actually I bought this recently, is Tesla. You can see I've been doing some analysis on Tesla, yada yada yada. But I see Tesla was in a very big strong triangle pattern, as you can see. Very big strong triangle, a very big deep triangle pattern for quite some time, and now we're just starting to break out of that. Now yes, Tesla entered the SP 500, and that's why it broke out, blah 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 blah. I don't care. What I do care about is that we were quiet for a while, and that's why if you see gold and silver, this is why we're likely to make a big move soon. When the market is very, very quiet for a while, then we start to see a breakout, and we start to see really big moves coming in the market. So you can see what's going on there. Now I have a projection target of just above 600. 610 somewhere there, but I'd say the last even number would be 600. I have a target on Tesla, which is my $600 target through there. Also, guys, last but not least, when we're looking at the good old Bitcoin, and let me bring up a candlestick chart for the good old Bitcoin. Bitcoin has continued to race up, guys. We're seeing everyone talk about it. We're getting some pretty big vertical action out of that, as you can see. Let me just go back to the weekly chart here, so it's much nicer. We're probably going to break up above the all-time new high when it comes to Bitcoin. But the whole analogy, guys, buy when people you want to be selling when people are greedy, and buy when people are fearful. Right now, guys, people are getting so greedy with Bitcoin, And just like all markets, that they do eventually come down. And if you've been watching me for a while, you'll know that I called the Bitcoin top. Not exactly. I think I started saying around 15,000. It eventually went to 20. And so on and so forth. But anyway, the whole purpose here, guys, is that not right now, okay? What you want to do is you want to start to, if you really want a really good opportunity to get into something, look for something like silver or gold or the mining stocks where they're not doing anything right now. Just like, right now you've missed the boat. If you didn't get in down through here somewhere for the last 12 months when it was doing nothing, guess what? You've missed the boat. What you want to do is you want to become part of something that's not doing nothing. And then guess what? Maybe 2 or 3 months later, you see a big move up, just like happening here. That's why I like silver, gold, mining stocks, and so on and so forth, because they haven't been doing anything for 3, 4, 5, 6 months. And when that happens, we're inevitably likely to see a very big move. And when that happens, now inevitably I say that we could see a down move first, which we're probably likely to anyway with the mining stocks. But right now, you want to be part of this here. You don't want to be getting in up here. Why? Because like every big move up has a big move down. Every move up has a correction. So getting in here right now would be a very, very, very foolish thing to do. Very, very, very low probability thing to do, guys. So not yet, not yet, not yet. No FOMO, okay, guys? Buy when other people are greedy. Sorry, no. Sell when other people are greedy and buy when other people are fearful. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.